How to change your Discord email address. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. At the bottom right corner of your screen, click on You, which will open your profile. Click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Account. In Account, you'll find Email. Simply click on Email to change your Discord email address. Type in your new email, what you want to change it to, then press on Change Email at the bottom. After you have done that, add your password of your account and press on Done. Then confirm your new email. Discord will send verification email to your new email. Simply open the file and click on Verify. After it's done, your email would be added. Now click on the changed email again. Click on Send Verification Code, as you will need to verify your email. After that, code will be sent to your email. Simply paste the code and press on Next, and your email address will be verified. And this is how to change your Discord email address. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.